So today let's talk about two exceptions or two special situations when it comes to solving equations, and that is the identity and no solutions. So let's first talk about no solutions. When is there no solutions to a problem? Because you would think that with all the infinite amount of equations you can come up with, there can't always be an answer to every single problem that you were to ever come up with. Some just can't work, and that's true. So let's take a look at this example I have here. So here's an example where it would be no solutions. And so I'm going to solve this just like I normally would. And that is, I'm going to simplify both sides. So as I look at this over here, I notice I can combine 3x and 4x, and I would get 7x. And I'll just bring down the minus 5. And over here on this side, I can distribute. I get 7x minus 21. Now, I have variables on both sides, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to subtract this 7x to the left. Now, you could have subtracted this 7x to the right if you wanted, but it doesn't make a difference. And if you notice, what happens is all my variables go away. 7x minus 7x is 0. I get negative 5 equals negative 21. Well, hopefully you'll agree with me and say that that is false. That's not true. And so what that is meaning, or what that is telling you, is that there are no solutions to this. Okay, when the variables cancel, and it gives you a false statement. Okay, so this is false. Okay, when that comes out to be a false statement, that tells me there's no solution. So in other words, there's no number that you can plug in for x, okay, on both sides that would make both sides at an equal sign equal to one another. Okay, and that's a no solutions. Okay, when the variables cancel and it gives you a false statement. Now the opposite of that is what we call identity, or sometimes people call it infinite solutions. Okay, and so what that means is this is a problem where no matter what I pick for my variable, it'll work. Okay, you can't pick anything that would make it not work. Okay, so the exact opposite of having a problem where nothing works. So let's take a look at this one. So as I look at this one, there's nothing to do over here, but over here I can distribute. Let's look at 2x minus 3 equals 2x minus 2 minus 1. So I can simplify the right a little bit more. I can combine these two, and I get 2x minus 3. And if you notice right here, you'll see that both sides are equal to each other. And if I just go one more step, okay, just one more step, I'm going to move my variables to one side. Okay, and you notice the variables go away, and I get this. Okay, when I get to that, now that is a true statement. Negative 3 equals negative 3. Or if you look at it at this line right here, 2x minus 3 equals 2x minus 3. They're identical to each other. This is what we call identity. Okay, or infinite solutions. So this is telling you that no matter what number you pick, the number 7, the number negative 2/3, the number 12 million, negative 422,000, it doesn't make a difference. Whatever number you pick, it will work because the left side is essentially the same thing as the right side. Okay, so this is where both sides are identical. And those are the two special cases when solving equations, the identity and no solutions.